Hello again. All right, Adam, let's say if you want to make this joint move, obviously we've got this far, but actually we want to put something on the end here and twist it instead of, trying to make this look a bit more realistic. And we want to put, say, something on the end of here to actually turn this to make it go up and down, rather than just hold that section there and make that go up and down. So this is easy as well. So I'm going to create, let's make sure it's highlighted again, top, create new component, press OK. And for this, I'm going to create a sketch on the end, capture position, and center circle, drag it out to about here, that's fine. Stop your sketch, and we're just going to E for extrude the inner and the outer, and we'll do it to about there. It's lovely. And I'm just going to pan and then just zoom in just so I can see what I'm doing a little bit. So F for fillet. I'm going to fillet that edge, type in 2, that's perfect. So I've got this little rotator which is going to be attached through this center section, which we already know as a cylindrical joint, and it's already planar against this edge and this inside. Can't see it, but it's that one, that inside face and that face. So I need to make it so that if I put my thumb and my forefinger on this, it's just going to turn, it's too slippy. So let's just put on some little grips. So sketch, create sketch, again on the bottom. Let's just zoom in there. Let's create, what shall we do, a 2-point circle, and zoom in a bit more. Click for the start of the circle, and then just click, so it just cuts into the circle just about there, and then just stop your sketch. Let's just orbit that, and you can see what I've done. E for extrude, and let's drag that backwards. Now I don't want to go that far. In fact, if I have a look at the right side, I want to just take that back to, don't want to go all the way through, I'll leave it there. And let's just reorbit that just to show you what I've done. So now let's replicate that pattern all the way around. So create a pattern, circular pattern of that there. So I can also click on that, that highlights it too. And the axes of rotation, any one of these will do, that one, or that one. Click that one. And I'm just going to type in 21, see what, 22. There we go. And let's make that a couple more. 24. Perfect. There you go. So I've got some nice little thumb grips that I can get my fingers onto to make that nice and easy. Home it. And let's just zoom back in just a little, and then just pan. Now we want to create a rigid joint between here and the cylinder. So the best thing to do first is to move that component away and then go to assemble a joint, capture position. Let's first of all say that's that one, that face, and then turn around. There we go. And then the second component will be the center of that face. And as you can see, I've got a rigid joint. And then press OK. Let's just home that back, zoom in a little bit. Let's highlight the whole component. And let's click on that edge. And then let's just try and rotate it. Here we go. So now it's more realistic. So I've got something there that we could move back and forwards and get some kind of realistic movement instead of just grabbing hold of this face. Of course, that'll work as well. So there you go. Step number 2.